Hey there, Heather Boyd Wire here, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I do weekly videos about wire art and jewelry making. This week we're going to make a super cute little bunny ring. So now we're going to make the little bunny ring, and this one ended up being a little bit big with the 6mm bead. So I made this one with a 4mm bead, and it worked out really well. It's really cute, but you could really use either size. So what we're going to do is take our 18 gauge wire, and we're going to start with the ears of the bunny. So we're just going to get our round pliers and just start forming the ears. I'm not going to make it too big because I'm going to use the small bead. But like I said, you could make it bigger and use the 6mm bead. So we're just going to kind of freehand the ears like that. Make them as long as you want. And then just bend that out a little bit. And because it's quite small, I'm going to form the round part of the face with my pliers. You can also use a pen if you want to make a round form with the pen. So we're going to form the little round face, and then wherever it looks like it lines up to be kind of the top of the face, just under the ears, we're going to bend it at a right angle like that. And then we need to finish it off the one ear, so we're going to hold that where it's going to be bent around the wire, and I just give it a start with my pliers, especially if the wire is stiff, because otherwise it can slip. So then we're just going to turn it around and give it a little bend. Now you could make this ring how I made my cat ring, with a little bead for the head. Like if you have a little bunny head bead, you could definitely check out my video for the cat ring. I'll link it up below, and that could show you how to do it with the bunny head bead. So for this one, we're just going to do it with the wire. So now that we have the bunny head prepared, we're just going to twist it around, full turn around. And for the cat, I did like a little spiral tail, but for the bunny, I want it to be really super cute. So we're going to do a little bead tail. I actually had this idea when I was riding the bus downtown. Often when I go downtown Montreal, it's a good 40-minute ride, so I bring my sketchbook and do all kinds of sketches for different ideas. And so now what we want to do is just bend it up. We're going to hold the bead in place centered under the head of the bunny. Okay, and we're just going to give it a twist around. It's very tricky because this wire is actually quite stiff. But so we don't have like a little loose end, I'm actually going to bend it all the way around. If you need help with your pliers, sometimes it's easier to help it out with the pliers. We're going to bend it all the way down, and then once it's like right down there and you have a little bit of extra, you're going to have to clip it off. And then the idea is you push it so it's really like down flush with the ring, so it's not going to catch on to anything. And if you have to pinch it in a bit, you can pinch it in like that. So once that end is all pushed in, then you can put it back on your ring form, because we really want the tail to be centered underneath the bunny head. So there you go, and there's your little bunny ring with the cute little tail. You can wind the wire just halfway around the bead if you prefer. So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you like it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more DIY wire art and jewelry making videos. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I go live and when I post new videos. And if you would like to share photos of your work, be sure to join the live wires in my Facebook group, the Wire Art and Jewelry Makers Club, where you can share photos of your work and be inspired by others. And if you don't have Facebook, no worries, you could email me photos to info@heatherboydwire.com, and I'll share them on the community page on my YouTube channel. And if you would like to check out our wire work on Etsy, be sure to check out my shop, where we do a lot of custom jewelry and wedding cake toppers. Or if you just like to support me on Patreon, I'll link up my Patreon account below. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you the next time.